Hey guys, today I'm going to be talking about the most profitable binary options trading strategy for 2018. Now, I'm going to elaborate a little bit on what is the most profitable way to trade and if there is actually a set strategy that is the most profitable. So to answer that second question, let's get into that. No, there is not a specific strategy that's going to be more profitable than any other strategy. But yes, there is a certain way that you should trade in order to maximize your profitability. So there's many different strategies, there's many different ways to trade that are successful, that you can be successful in. But all of those strategies have one or two, actually two things in common. The first thing is that it's price action based. If you want to be profitable trading binary options or any market, you need to be looking at price action. And the second thing is risk management or account management. And that you always have to be very strict with, because there is no strategy that is going to give you 100% results. There's no strategy that's even going to consistently give you 80% results. If you're ranging from 60 to 80% results over a given period of time, you're doing really well. And even then, you're going to need some pretty good risk management in place to make sure that you don't blow your account when you do come across losses. So if I had to sum everything up and give you one piece of advice that's going to help you become the most profitable or find the most profitable strategy for yourself, is that you need to be looking at price action and you need to have good risk management. Now, every person is different, everyone's trading style is different. Some people like to get in and out real quick, trade for 15-20 minutes per day. Some people don't mind watching the charts all day, maybe taking one trade per day. That's a bit of a longer term trade. And for all these different ways of trading, there's different types of risk management that you should employ. Now, if you are interested in learning a little bit more about different ways to trade, different strategies that can work, and different types of risk management that can go along with those strategies and completely maximize your profits, then definitely click the link below to the website traderoomsessions.com. We have a Viper binary strategy that's for sale there. It's $20. Which is very cheap for the information that you're getting. In there, you will receive a binary option strategy and trading system that's tailored for that strategy. And the benefit that you'll have of purchasing now is that we are going to continuously add strategies to the plan. So right now there's one strategy and one trading system, but by the end of this week there will be 3 strategies and 3 trading systems there, and that'll definitely help you no matter what style of trader you are. And they're all price action based, and they've all got very good risk management. So I hope this video has helped. Give it a like if it has. Leave a comment below if you have any questions whatsoever, and subscribe to the channel for daily binary options content. If you are interested in learning how to trade binary options properly, do consider checking out our Viper binary strategy. It is the real way to trade binary options, and it is highly effective. If you're interested in this, go check us out, www.traderoomsessions.com. All the information you need is on the website.